Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with the exercise 5.4. In 5.4, we are going to find the value of the algebraic expressions in which we will be given the different values of the variables, and then we are going to put the values of those variables in the expression, and of the complete expression we are going to find the value. For example, let's do the first question. First question is 3x plus 2y. You have to find the value of this expression if in the question the value of this x and y is given to you. You just have to place the value of these two variables and you will be getting the complete value of this expression. Now this is the question. You have to find the value of this if when x is equals to 2, when the value of x is given 2 and the value of y is given 3. So the y is equals to 3. You just have to place these values on it. 3 into what is this x? What is the value of x? 2. Place the value of 2. Y. What is the value of y? 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. See, when 3x is given and no sign is between them, that means they are in multiply with each other. So if you are going to place the value of x, that means we are going to multiply these two. That means 3 into 2, and that is equals to 6. That's how here 6 will come. Here also the same thing. 2y is there. Just place the value of y. 2 into 3, and what is 2 3s are 6. And what is 6 plus 6? 12. That's it. This is the answer. Similarly, I can change the values. I can change the values of, in the same expression, I can give you that find the value of this expression when x is equals to minus 5 and y is equals to 3. Something like this. I can change the values and then different value will come of this expression. Now, 3x plus 2y. Instead of x, what is the value I have given? Minus 5. Just place the value minus 5. Plus 2y. What is the value of y? 3. 3 5s are 15. Plus minus minus. Plus 2 3s are 6. What will be the answer? Minus 9. So with the different values of the variables, different answer of the expression will come. Right? So this is your first question. This is the question which is given by me. Right? So you can see the solution of this first question. Place the values and the answer will come. Let's move to the next question. In the next question, now the variables are n and m. In this question, value of n is given 7 and the value of m is given 3. So you are going to find the value of 5n minus 2m minus 2n, where the value of m is how much given? 3. And the value of n is given 7. Just place the values of these variables. 5, what is the value of this n? 7. Place 7. Minus 2m, what is the value of this m? 3. Minus 2 into n, what is n? 7. Just place it. Now no number is there, no operation is there, that means they are of multiply. 7 5s are 35. Minus 2 3s are 6. Minus 14. Now since these two numbers are of the same signs, so add these numbers. What is 14 plus 6? 20. And what is the common signs with them? Minus. So 35 minus 20. What will come? 15 will be the answer. This is your B part. Second question of the exercise. Right? Now let's move to the third question. Now in the third question, this is an expression in which x and b is the variable. And in these variables, you are going to place the values. The value of x is given 8. It can be anything. I can even change the value of the variable. I can give you minus 7. I can give you minus 10. I can give you plus 11. Something I can give you. It can be anything. You just have to place the values. Whatever the value is given, just place the value. 2 minus 10. What is the value of this x? 8. Just place the value of x as 8. Minus. What is the value of b? 3. Put here 3. Now when you do BODMAS, you know whatever is inside the bracket, you are going to solve it first. So what is 8 minus 3? 5. And this will remain as it is. Some students do what is 2 minus 10 into 5. What they are going to do? 20 into 5, and that is going to give you 100. This is completely wrong. Or what they do is 2 minus 10 into 5 is given to you. What they are going to do, they are going to subtract it. Minus 8 into 5, that is equals to minus 40. That is also completely wrong. When you know how to do the board mass, 2 minus, now what is the meaning of this? 10 is in multiply by 5. When no operation is there, that means it is of multiply. So you are going to, instead of minus and multiply, in out of these two, you are going to use multiply sign firstly. So 2 minus 50, okay, and then this is of plus, this is of minus. What is plus minus? Minus. So what is 50 minus 2? 48. And out of these two, 2 and 50, 50 is the greater one. With the greater one, negative sign is there, so answer is going to be minus 48. Okay, so do not commit these mistakes. Next, fourth question. Fourth question is p square plus 1, in which the value of m is 1 and the value of p is 5. Now how you are going to do this? See, the power is going to remain same as it is. Place the value of p as 5, so it will be 5 square. Plus, what is the value of m? 1. And what is the meaning of 5 square? 25. How 5 square is 25? 5 square means 5 multiplied by 5. That means 5 is multiplied twice because the power is 2. And 5 5s are 25. Okay. So here will come 25 plus 1 and answer is 26. Place the values simply and solve it the way they have given you. Okay. So this was your question number 4. Now question number 5. Y square minus x is the expression and the value of x and y is given to you 7. Instead of y, place the value of y, which is 7 given, write 7 here, and then you have to do the square. Minus, what is the value of x given? 7, so give 7. 7 square, now 7 square means 49. How? 7 square means 7 is multiplied twice. 7 7s are 49. So write here 49 minus 7, answer will come 42. Simple. Okay. Now sixth, p square m is divided by 4 when the values of m and p are given to you. Now how you are going to do this question? I am going to make you explain here by writing it. P square m divided by 4 and the value is p and m. P is given to you 7 and m is given to you 4. These are the values given. Okay, now what is the meaning of this? P square m is divided by 4. P square, what is the value of p? 7 square. P square m means that they both are in multiply with each other. So 7 square into m, and what is the value of m? 4 divided by 4. What is 7 square? 7 square means 7 into 7, which is 49. So 49 into 4 upon 4. Now can you cancel these two? 4 ones are 4 ones are. What is the answer? 49. Okay, so easy. This was your sixth question. All the parts I have done, and this was your exercise 5.4. Right? Do this exercise 5.4 in your notebooks. Thank you.